How to replace the belt on your SuperHandy Stump Grinder. Remove the belt cover by unscrewing the 4 bolts holding it in place. Loosen the 3 belt tension guides. There's no need to remove them, just loosen and leave in place. Ensure the clutch is released and remove the belt. This part might be a bit tricky depending on the condition of your belt. Try turning the grinder pulley while pulling and guiding the belt off its track. You can also use a large screwdriver for leverage. Replace the belt and ensure it rests securely in the pulley tracks. Ensure the bottom of the belt loop sits on top of the clutch tensioner. Engage the belt clutch. This should apply tension to the belt. Tighten the belt tension guides. Leave about a 1/2 inch gap between the guide posts and the belt. You can use an object like a standard wrench to ensure proper spacing around all 3 guides. Release the belt clutch and check the tension. The guide post should only lightly rest against the belt. Use the video for reference. Last, reinstall the belt cover.